DIY essential oil roll-ons are a fantastic way to harness the power of aromatherapy in a convenient, portable form. Creating your own custom essential oil blends can be both an enjoyable and rewarding experience. This guide will walk you through the process of making your own essential oil roll-ons, perfect for stress relief, energy boosting, or relaxation. Start by gathering your materials. You'll need essential oils, carrier oil, and roller bottles. Essential oils are concentrated plant extracts, each boasting distinct aromatic properties. Popular choices for stress relief include lavender, which is renowned for its calming and soothing properties, and chamomile for promoting relaxation. For those looking to boost energy, peppermint and rosemary oils can help increase alertness and concentration. Eucalyptus oil is another versatile option, known for its refreshing and invigorating scent. You'll also need a carrier oil to dilute the essential oils. Carrier oils are base oils that help to safely apply essential oils to your skin. Options such as jojoba, sweet almond, or coconut oil are suitable choices due to their skin-friendly properties and minimal fragrance, which won't overpower the essential oils. Next, choose your roller bottles. These are small, cylindrical containers with a rollerball top, ideal for easy application on the go. Glass bottles are preferred as they don't react with the oils and are more environmentally friendly. Once you have all your materials, you can begin designing your blends. To create a roll-on, decide what effect you want and combine your chosen essential oils with a carrier oil. A general guideline is to use around 10 to 15 drops of essential oils per 10 milliliters roller bottle, filling the rest with a carrier oil. For a calming blend, try combining lavender, chamomile, and a hint of eucalyptus. For a refreshing energy boost, mix peppermint with a touch of rosemary and eucalyptus. Remember, blending is a highly personal and creative process, so feel free to experiment with different combinations to find what works best for you. Before using your roll-on, make sure to gently shake the bottle. Apply to pulse points, such as wrists, temples, or the back of the neck, to allow the oils to release their scents and therapeutic benefits. Incorporating DIY essential oil roll-ons into your routine can be a natural way to enhance well-being. Each time you apply your custom blend, you're not just enjoying a pleasant aroma, you're engaging in a ritual that can promote holistic health and relief from the everyday stresses of life. With the right combination of oils, you'll be well on your way to creating effective, personalized aromatherapy tools that cater to your specific needs.